you are confused of the best platform to run adverts to get the best results for your business, I got you. In this video, we are going to be comparing Snapchat adverts, Instagram adverts, TikTok adverts. Which one should you be running? Let's jump right in. The first thing is cost. How much does it cost you to run adverts on these three platforms? When it comes to Snapchat, I paid for a Snapchat course last year. I did not even try running the adverts because I'm a fan of, if you do not know something, pay for it. I went into the class and the tutor was saying that for Snapchat ads, you need $40 per day. I said, 40 guinea. 40 what? $40 per day is about 70 something thousand naira. And he said you have to give the advert 3 days to see if it's going to work or not. I said, money 200,000 naira. I will still give it this thing to work or not. No, that was I just let it go. But yeah, I got knowledge about how Snapchat advert works from that class, even though I didn't go ahead and implement, because pardon me, how am I meant to spend $40 per day? That's minus the TikTok advert I'm running, and since TikTok advert was already giving me results with 3,000 naira per day, I'm like, nah, no need. So Snapchat is the mommy of their mommy, followed by Instagram. Instagram is still affordable, but just a bit pricey, and it's giving lesser results compared to old times, right? But it's still giving results. And TikTok is the up and coming baby. That one is just coming up, giving us discounts at discounted price. If you have 1,000 naira, if you have $5, $10, $3, 3,000 naira per day, come, their labor and every guinea, every ladid, and I'll give you rest and I'll give you clients. Come with $5, $2, and I'll give you clients. So when it comes to TikTok seems friendly with their cost. Second thing is, what can you sell on this platform? If you want to run Snapchat adverts, be ready to do luxury. If you are selling houses, you are selling cars, high ticket item, luxury item, right? You can easily afford $40. $40 per day is not up to 100,000 naira. If you are selling houses worth 250 million naira, 300 million naira, 500 million naira, 1 billion naira, $40 is not your problem. In fact, it would increase yours to $200. Right? If you are selling a car worth 10 million naira, 8 million naira, Snapchat rather will do the job for you, and it's good. Instagram too will do the job for you perfectly. Houses, cars. Most people sell that kind of item on Instagram, but I heard that on Snapchat you can sell luxury items too. And also on Instagram you can sell anything and everything. Yeah, anything and everything can be sold on Instagram, both luxury items, low price items, high cost items. But Snapchat, if you want to run advert and to recoup your money fast, it better be something that once you make a sale, you are settled. If your item is low price item or in the affordable range, you sell things of 50,000 naira, $50, even quite expensive item, you sell wigs, day-to-day item, fashion item, what is needed by Gen Z, Generation Z, if that is what you sell. TikTok, you would sell on TikTok. You sell skincare products, the target audience are there. Almost anything and everything can be sold on TikTok and on Instagram. On Snapchat too, you can decide to sell anything and everything, but if you want to run adverts on Snapchat, you better be selling good. Snapchat ad is like, if you don't have money, don't come near me. I don't do broke people. Instagram ad is like, I'll take you as you are. You have $20, come. You have $10, come. You have $5, come. And TikTok is like, everybody come, everybody come. When it comes to technicality, Snapchat ad is the most technical. It's not for newbies. It's not for, let me just try. You have to have very sound knowledge in running advert before. You've done Instagram advert very well, and it's not just you've done Instagram boost post though. You've run Instagram advert on Ad Manager. Do you get? You've done it on System, used Ad Manager. You've done it on Business Manager, right? You've used the app to run ads. That one is more detailed compared to boost post, right? You've done detailed high-level adverts. You've done retargeting ads. If you have knowledge about retargeting ads and you can set up retargeting ads, Snapchat ads is something you can do too, right? So if you have this strong knowledge of adverts from different platforms, then you can run Snapchat ads, right? If you have very little knowledge and you are a newbie, you don't really know your way around, TikTok and Instagram ads has easy options for you. Even though with TikTok too, there's TikTok ad manager that can be a bit, technical. With Instagram too, we have the app that can be a bit technical, but they give you options for newbie. Like Instagram, you can go to Instagram and click on boost post and you're running your adverts. You can go on Facebook and click on boost post and you're running your adverts. You can go on TikTok and click on boost post. I even run my adverts from the TikTok app. I do not use TikTok ad manager because they ask for so many things that don't stress. TikTok advert is beginner friendly. Oh, I have zero knowledge. I'm not an expert. I'm not, used to this thing. I don't know how it works. You still figure it out. As far as you know how to cook rice. If you can boil water, cook rice. Simple, right? TikTok and Instagram quite simple. Snapchat, you have to have basis and sound knowledge of other adverts. So this would help you navigate Snapchat adverts. I have a course on how to run TikTok adverts. I personally leverage on TikTok adverts for my business. I used to run Instagram adverts a lot, and I even thought about Instagram adverts a lot on here. Over time, I moved from running Instagram adverts to TikTok adverts because TikTok adverts was giving me a better result. Not only did I do that, I came up with a course where you would learn how to run TikTok adverts that gives you results with little money. It's a very detailed course. Everything you need to know when it comes to running TikTok adverts is there because I share from my personal experience how to reduce your tax and not pay ridiculous taxes on TikTok, content you must use, how to create after content follow-up, a lot of things. The course costs 25,000 naira at the point of making this video. It's discounted already. Send a DM to Deborah Oluwaseun to get access to the course and make your payment. If you are not running TikTok adverts now, you are sleeping on a bicycle. Please like this video as it tells the algorithm this is a very good content and push it out to more people like you that need to see this content. Thank you for your help. Merci beaucoup. Now let me be honest with you, as a business owner, try different adverts and see what works for you and stick with it. Snapchat advert is not what I would even try out at all. I'm not even trying to demarket them. If you are selling luxury items, expensive high-end items that you can easily recoup your money, try Snapchat ads. If you are selling anything at all, Instagram is your go-to. Anything at all. Instagram and TikTok can sell anything. These are people that they are like, oh, do you know that your big auntie in your family that is just very nice, kind, and like, what do you need? How can I support you? How can I support your small business? I want you to grow. Okay, how much do you have? Okay, can I support? TikTok and Instagram are your big aunties. TikTok is the nicest. Instagram is Snapchat, you know those wicked aunties that would say, when will you get married? Hey, wicked auntie. If you need clarity on how to run TikTok adverts, I have a playlist where I broke down how to run TikTok adverts that gives results. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye, guys.